In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. I will go with Photos. Now you need to access background apps by clicking on this square button on the left. Now click on the icon of your app and select split screen. Following that, tap on any other one, like settings. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!